Hello everyone, this is my first video on my channel. So today we are going to learn HTML. So let us now open Notepad. We should begin with Notepad, and if you have Microsoft 365 subscription, so you can do it with VS Code. Let's open it. Okay, so our first tab will be HTML and close tab. Remember, we have to put a slash in the close tab. Okay. Inside HTML tab, we will be putting first head tag and then head close tab. Okay. And another tag is body tag. Again a close tag. Always put close tag before entering any information or any data. So in head tag, we will put another tag which is title tag. This will represent the title of our web page. Don't forget to put slash. Okay. You can put any title name. Let's write first HTML code. So now we will click Ctrl plus S. So this code will be saved, and we will click on File and then Save As. So you can name this file. You can give any name to this, and now put a dot and then HTML and save. Okay, so let us see how it will turn out. Okay, it's a blank page because we haven't entered any data there. So we will enter data in the body tab. We will write h1 and close tag of h1. This is basically heading tag. It varies size like h2 and a close tag of h2. Enter some data here and in this tag also, and save it. So just go to your web page and refresh the page. Here is it. So you can see the difference. The first heading, this is h1 heading, and this one is h2 heading. The size varies from h1 to h6. Let me do it. Okay, so now as you can see, I have written all the headings. So let's see. Here it is. Heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now I'm going to tell you another tag, which is paragraph tag. Again, first put the close tag. Let's write some data here. And save. Okay. So now here we're gonna refresh it and see. This is paragraph. Okay, so now we are going to change the color of text. For this, in the opening tag we will write style, then we will put the equals to sign and double inverted comma. In it we will write color and we will put a colon. Then write whatever color you want, write it. For example, let's take aqua and save. Okay, so let's see. Refresh. As you can see here, the color of this text changed. Okay, if you want to change the background color, you may put a semicolon after this element and write background color. Okay, put another colon and write whatever color you want. Okay, let's take it yellow. We will save it and then here we will refresh it. The yellow color appeared and text is still blue. You can do it in all the headings. Okay, so that is it for today. If you want to try, then make something creative out of it. We will see you in next video. Goodbye.